today we are playing Do Not Press the Button 2. So much fun. Whoa, I'm big. I'm so big. Wow. Look at my handsome teeth. I'm a little dude. Okay, guys. We just stand there still. Look, stand still. We had to record another video because my brother said the S word in one of the videos. No! Okay, you only said S word. Don't go out there. Go out there! Viewers, if you don't hear that, do not listen. Because he is mean and Simon says green. Okay, I'm on green. Yes, I'm gonna get out of here before my brother says the S word. Okay, sorry viewers. I really like seeing y'all every single day. It's just sometimes I can't because I work so hard on a video that I have to do it all over again, and it's really not fun. James. Fine. So we're just gonna. No, it keeps picking green. Oh, now it picked the blue. It keeps picking blue and green. Why? Look, it's gonna pick blue or green, or not. Ooh. This is a new one. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Ooh. Ah! I was so close to the edge. Stop picking it, James. Oh, your citizen is literally gonna kill you. Okay, guys, that's all the time we have for the day. I'll make a part 2 and see you all next time. I'm out.